Life often feels unfair, a series of challenges that seem insurmountable. In these moments of despair, it's crucial to remember that every struggle carries within it the seeds of strength and growth. Think back to the times when you faced adversity. Each trial has forged you into the person you are today. It's easy to feel defeated when life throws curveballs, but remember, these challenges are not the end of your journey. Instead, they are stepping stones that lead you to a stronger, more resilient self. Embrace the discomfort. It is a sign that you are growing. When life feels heavy and the weight of the world is on your shoulders, take a moment to breathe. Breathe in the possibilities and exhale the doubts that cloud your mind. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every failure is a lesson in disguise. Reflect on past obstacles you've overcome. They serve as reminders of your inner strength. In those moments when you feel like giving up, dig deep and find that spark of determination within you. You are capable of more than you can imagine, and your struggles are merely the forge that shapes your character. Allow yourself to feel the pain, but do not let it consume you. Instead, use it as motivation to rise again, stronger and more determined than before. Remember, strength does not come from what you can do, it comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. Every time you face a challenge, you are presented with an opportunity to redefine yourself. When you feel the world is against you, look inside and find the warrior that lies within. You have the power to change your narrative. Do not let unfair circumstances dictate your story. Reach out for support when you need it. Vulnerability is a sign of strength, not weakness. Surround yourself with those who uplift you, who believe in your potential even when you doubt it. In the grand tapestry of life, every thread of struggle contributes to the beautiful picture of who you will become. Life may not always be fair, but it is filled with moments of profound beauty and opportunity. When you face injustice, remember that your response to it shapes your future. Use your voice to advocate for yourself and others. Your struggles can inspire change. Channel your energy into your passions. Let them be the light that guides you through dark times. You are not alone in your struggles. Many have walked this path and emerged victorious. Be patient with yourself. Healing and growth take time. Celebrate small victories along the way. They are the markers of your progress. As you navigate the unfairness of life, remind yourself that your story is still being written. You have the pen in your hand. Write it boldly, with courage and conviction. In every struggle, there is a lesson. Be open to learning from your experiences. When you feel the urge to quit, remember why you started. Let your passion reignite your flame. Your resilience will inspire others. Your journey can light the way for those who feel lost. So, when life feels unfair, remember this: strength is born from struggle, and every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Embrace the journey, for it is in the struggle that we find our true selves.